Next we have to discuss about the solution or root of a quadratic equation. So what is that? Here, solution or root of a quadratic equation. A real number alpha is called a root of the quadratic equation. The general form we are writing ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a not equal to 0 if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. So in this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the general form of the quadratic equation, in the place of x, if we are replacing that to alpha, if we are substituting the value of x equal to alpha, then a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. If you are substituting the value of x equal to alpha, then this equation satisfies. That is, LHS becomes equal to 0. Equation satisfies. That is, x, in the place of x we are substituting alpha, that LHS becomes equal to RHS. Then we can say that alpha is a root of the quadratic equation or solution of the quadratic equation. Okay, root or solution of the quadratic equation. Then also we can say x equal to alpha is a solution if p of alpha equal to 0. P of x is the quadratic polynomial. For any polynomial it is applicable. So p of alpha equal to 0. If p of x equal to 0, that is a quadratic equation. In the place of x we are substituting alpha. Then p of alpha equal to 0 if alpha is a solution. Okay. Next, zeros of, you remember that polynomials you have studied. Zeros of the quadratic polynomial and solutions of the quadratic equation are same. Roots or solutions both are same. Okay, roots of the quadratic equation are same as solutions of the quadratic equation. And also zeros of the quadratic polynomial that you have studied from polynomials chapter, the same. Zeros of the quadratic polynomial are same as roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, that is written here. Zeros of the quadratic polynomial and roots or solutions of the quadratic equation are same. Okay. You remember quadratic polynomials having maximum at most 2 zeros. The same way for a quadratic equation we can say that at most 2 solutions or roots. Okay, that is written here. Any quadratic equation can have at most 2 roots. Now we have to find the solutions. Okay, how we can find the solutions? The first method it is factorization, by factorization method. That already you have studied in 9th class and also in polynomials chapter you have applied that. Splitting middle term method, do you remember? Splitting middle term. Okay, just before that, how we can find the solution of a linear equation, that we can see. Suppose 2x plus 5 equal to 0. It's a linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in two variables also you have studied. Okay, so here how we can find the solution? That is value of x. Okay, 2x equal to, just solving this equation, solving of linear equation, studied, no? Plus 5 becomes minus 5. Then x equal to what? Negative 5 by 2. X equal to negative 5 by 2. If we are substituting this value here in this equation, you will get LHS becomes equal to RHS. Just you can verify. See that 2 into negative 5 by 2 plus 5. Just we are substituting x equal to negative 5 by 2 here. So 2 into negative 5 by 2 plus 5. That is equal to, this 2 you can cancel, no? So negative 5 plus 5. What is negative 5 plus 5? That is equal to 0. Okay. So here you can see that in this equation if you are substituting in the LHS, in the place of x if you are substituting negative 5 by 2, you are getting right side 0. That is you are satisfying the equation. That is x equal to negative 5 by 2 is, that value is satisfying this equation. Therefore, x equal to negative 5 by 2 is a solution of this equation. The same way we can solve quadratic equations also. Okay. And one simple example we can see. Suppose 2x square equal to 0 is given. So what is the value of x square equal to 0 by 2? 0 by 2 means what? 0. Now x square equal to 0 means x equal to what? X equal to 0. Okay. If x square equal to 0, x also 0 because square root of 0 that is 0. So the solution of this quadratic equation is 0, x equal to 0. And you know at most maximum 2 values are there. So here it is only one value which is repeating 0, and again we can write 0. So 2 values are there, 0 and 0.